ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಫಿನಿಶ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 40 ಎಕರೆನ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ 80-90 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ನೋ ಅಪಾಲಜಿ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಅಪಾಲಜಿ. ಏನಿದು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಮೆಮೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ, ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಅಪಾಲಜಿನ.
ಸೇಲಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಗಿರೋ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸೇಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
I'm appearing for the valuer, my lord.
Yes sir.
Number 3.
My
lord, I'm tendering an unconditional apology.
Apology for what sir?
ಇದೇ ಹೋಯ್ತಾಗ
Apology.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನವ್ರು ಹಿಡ್ದಾಕಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ನು.
Unconditional apology ಕಾರಣ?
My lord, I'm a valuer of immovable properties.
But you have valued these properties also.
Earlier affidavit I've mentioned as entitled to value agriculture properties and plantation. But I'm a valuer of immovable properties only.
So you are not entitled to value movable properties.
I am.
Agriculture coffee plantation illa.
Alla, ee property na valued as a dry land. I'll take you
plantation agriculture ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಡ್ರೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು?
My lord, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ plantations ಏನು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. It was in a depleted state. I valued it as a dry land.
Who permitted you to value, sir?
My lord, I am a valuer empaneled under Sarfasi Act.
Correct, sir. You are empaneled for particular purpose. And why did you file an affidavit that you had? No, you can't get away with an apology like this. You are before filing it before a court of law.
My lord,
nothing. Straight away perjury proceedings.
My lord, my father was on deathbed.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, affidavit ಅಲ್ಲಿ it was by mistake.
By mistake. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ get into the issue. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದೀರ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ?
ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಈ ವಿಚಾರ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್. ಅವಾಗ ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ. ಪಕ್ಕದ 100 ಎಕರೆ ಇದು 39 ಎಕರೆ 2 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಆಥರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್, ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯರ್, ಅದೇ ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್.
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ that's the best thing.
ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯರ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಥರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್. ಇದು ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
bank the stock purchaser, bank officers also I am not going to leave.
Yes.
No sir, I have you file whatever you want sir. I am going to write on the bank officials how they connive with these people and trouble all these people. Bank loan ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು finish. No problem Vignesh, we have seen many of these things, don't worry. This is a classic illustration of all fraud played by the bank. We'll see. Conduct ನಿಮ್ದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ನೋಡೋಣ. 30 ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕರೆ ಇದು? 39 ಎಕರೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ?
91 lakhs.
39 ಎಕರೆ 91 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಎಕರೆ.
There is no road, 24 kilometers, my lord. He walked and my lord, he given a valuation.
I'm producing a video photos ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ my lord. The
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. We'll ask a crime to be registered and investigation to be done.
Yes.
Of what all the fraud that has taken place.
But the valuer is present.
What should I do with the valuer? The perjury proceedings ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Apology will not take away sir.
My lord, unintentionally.
No, unintentionally.
My lord, I am a valuer of immovable.
Correct sir. ಈಗ ಪಕ್ಕದ 100 ಎಕರೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ಯಾವುದು? ಅದು ಡ್ರೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್?
ಅದು Millards, both it's a consolidated, like a one consolidated unit of 139 acres.
ಈಗ we will ask the production of all the valuations done by this man.
Collecting it.
Quay Canara Bank.
Yes.
All valuations.
They're particularly.
Sir, no problem. We will dig into everything sir now.
This point out, my lord, in respect of my lord, my senior counsel is making mention in one matter. That issue, my lord, came before the Honorable Court. Writ petition got dismissed. Writ appeal also, my lord, confirmed the order.
No problem, sir.
Now he can't connect, my lord.
ಏನು ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ sir. We'll connect everything sir.
This matter, my lord, I have some submissions.
You please make your submission. I am not stopping you at all.
But Allah have it some other day.
ಯಾವತ್ತಾರು ಮಾಡಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ submission ಮಾಡಿ. Officials of Canara Bank will face the music, definitely.
My valuation report may be perused.
No sir. You have uttered a falsehood by an affidavit before the court that you are eligible to value these plantation properties. How did you value without eligibility? And why did you file a false affidavit here?
My lord, affidavit ಹಾಕ್ದಾಗ I was in distress, my lord. My father was
Oh.
not well.
Oh,
He was on deathbed, he has expired, my lord.
Oh.
Same month.
oh.
I was in.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಿತ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಪರ್ಜುರಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್.
My lord, apology may be accepted.
Apology will not be accepted.
2 paras of the
No,
affidavit.
sir, will not be accepted at all.
Beg, my lord.
ಏನಿದು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಅಪಾಲಜಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ? ನಥಿಂಗ್. How can you support such
And I am
people?
not supporting, my lord.
Then-
I am supporting, my lord, the thing is, my lord, bank, my lord, there are two kinds of property we have. One is, my lord, surface wherein, my lord, movable and, my lord, land and building. One is, my lord, agriculture property, they have a separate value. In view of the, my lord, Ramesh judgment, in the plantation also, my lord, can be, my lord, sold under surface act. Therefore, my lord, I treated him as a surface, my lord, value.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. They is not authorized to do that. How did you? How many properties have you got valued like this plantation, agriculture ಎಲ್ಲ? ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೀರಾ? Get all the info. Produce everything that he has valued till now in Canara Bank, agriculture and plantation. All right? We'll pass that order. I'll pass that order now. Produce everything, sir.
Only one submission, my lord.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ
No, no,
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
my lord, my lord,
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್
219
ಸಾಲ
account-
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 40 ಎಕರೆನ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ 80-90 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
This remote area, my lord. we are
What
not in the
remote
we
area?
put up- Earlier also we put the property for auction, very same price. We are not able to get the
ಏನು
buyer.
ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾರು? 60 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ
Very same, my lord. value.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? 30-40 ಎಕರೆನ 60 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಸೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ 30 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ 90 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ತೀರಾ?
You see, my lord, no fault can be found from the bank. The reason-
All fault will be found. No fault ಅಲ್ಲ.
My lord, video lo I have
No,
enclosed the
sir,
video.
you produce everything before the contempt court. Perjury proceedings we will initiate.
My apologies.
No apology, sir. No apology. ಏನಿದು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಮೆಮೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ, ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಅಪಾಲಜಿನ?
My lord, yes, it has health issues also, my lord.
ನೋ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Kidney issues.
ಅಲ್ಲ, may request, my
ಆಲ್
lord.
ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಸರ್. ನೀವೇ ಹಾಕಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯರ್. ರೈಟ್?
My lord, lot of, my lord, the water flow.
Why, sir?
Some of the matters where they gone before the DRT.
Oh, you forget about this, sir.
No, my lord.
Now
some-
that he, one ನಿಮಿಷ, now that he is not qualified is an admitted fact to plantation and agriculture. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೀರಾ? ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. Place it before the court. How have you sold every person's property for a song or a stock purchaser is available, you sell it to him only? ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
I'm sorry,
ನೀವಲ್ಲ,
Lord.
not you.
Yes.
Why are you?
No,
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
but-
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
What a stock purchase, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್, ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವ್ರೆ,
Maybe
ಇದು
not
ಸೇಲ್ಗೆ
in this
ಆಗ್ತಾ
case,
ಇದೀವಿ,
sir.
ಏನಾರು ಇದೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, it's
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಅವರು.
My lord,
ಅದು ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ಡ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೇಲಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಆಗೋಗಿರತ್ತೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸೇಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, my lord, otherwise, my lord, how, my lord, it's a public money, it has to come back. The money which gone 2019
ಹೌದು
SPA,
ಸರ್, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್.
up to-
I'll tell you one thing, public money has to come back, not squeezing the blood of a private citizen. Not like that, public money should be taken, it should be taken true, to give the true value. Get the true value done. ನೀವು 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ 4 ಕೋಟಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅವೇ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮನಿ. That's why now Supreme Court has come heavily down upon
Particularly with reference
those
to
days are
valuation.
over now. They're not maintainable, not entertainable. I am in this jurisdiction, let me come there. Yes.
It's-
Avaga, I will
As-
tell you.
My lords, one statement which the Supreme Court said with reference to Order 21, Rule 64, of course.
No, that
Said-
is auction ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes.
Even 8, 9 and interpret ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬರ್ದಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
That's true, my lords.
That
That is
you should entertain ಅಂತ.
Basumati's case. Justice
Yes.
Deepankar Datta's one judgment and the other judgment is.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
This,
ಏನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ನೀವು
ಅದೇ.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ?
Lords, there, the Supreme Court used one phrase when the auction is being conducted in respect of a property belonging to the judgment debtor. Don't put the distressed person in further distress.
That is what they do.
Essentially what the
And
Supreme
this
Court
case
said.
is a classic illustration of that. 40 ಎಕರೆ ಕಾಫಿ ತೋಟನ 60 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈಗ 90 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ತಾರೆ.
The neighboring 100 acres purchased by the same purchaser,
ಓ ಸೇಮ್ ಇವ್ರು ನೀವೇನಾ?
same purchaser,
Two separate auctions, and may I only say this, my lord.
2
because this-
crores,
No, no, I'm sorry, my lord. This is,
100 acres 2 crores.
crores.
my lords, may I only say this, my lord, because some impression is sought to be created. Even in this auction, which is now under consideration by your lordship, there was a reserve price 65 lakhs, my lord.
That's correct. You are not at fault, sir.
My lord,
You are an auction purchaser. Reserve price is 65 lakhs. Yakendre because of this valuer who put it at 63 lakhs.
Now, my lord, that some impression is sought to be created. I am compelled to say that there were 5 competing bidders. There were
No,
continuous
no,
bidding.
not, the
and there
impression is not on the auction purchaser. ಆ 2 crores ಇವರೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ರದ? Same
Same
value.
valuer, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, same valuer, same authorized officer. And same auction purchaser, only in this case. Remaining cases, there may be other auction purchasers.
No, but
Investigation
in-
ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
in
links
case, my
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ
lord, let
ಹೊರಗಡೆ.
there not be an impression sought to be created.
No, no, not for you. Will direct some kind of investigation to
May
be done.
make only one thing, but we'll have it on Monday.
This is-
There is instruction for me to engage some senior counsel. in this.
Oh, please, you should, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ಗೆ
ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
Kindly have it on Monday or Tuesday, my lord, whichever. my lord.
ಹಾ.
When was it?
Take our submissions, my lord, we'll place all the, my lord, on the record, my lord.
Absolutely.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಡ. Have it on Monday or Tuesday, my lord, we'll make
ಅಲ್ಲ,
our
ಅದು
submissions.
ಇವ್ರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ. Everything is needed. Yes, we'll record what he has done at least. ನೀವು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ senior counsel ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಅವರು, ಅವ್ರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಲಿಗೆ.
I
They
have an
passed
answer
a
for that.
resolution at page number 23,
Who resolution?
the resolution of the purchaser.
ಹಾ.
On 3rd January 2024, they passed a resolution
ಹ್ಮ್.
saying that
ಹ್ಮ್.
the company has purchased 39 acres of coffee cardamom so and so
ಹ್ಮ್.
and authorized to sign all necessary documents to register the same ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಹಾ.
The sale notice dated 19/12/23 fixed the auction on 24/1/2024.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್.
ಮಾಡಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಆಗ್ಲೇ.
No, I'll answer that.
Yes, you have to.
It is
That
nothing.
is why stock.
My lord, I will only say this, my lord, it is nothing but a typographical error. In fact, it is submitted to the bank. That's how my learned seniors client has it. It is submitted to the bank. I don't think, my lord, anybody intended to.
ಟೈಪೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಎರರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ?
My lord, I'll check, my lord, but the only
No,
reason
now
that,
we are in 2026.
no, and therefore my next submission, that whatever my learned senior says now, there is not a single pleading, let alone even a letter
So
on this
forget about
aspect.
the pleading, sir.
Then,
We are,
My lord, my lord, there is nothing in the
don't worry
writ
about
petition
all
about this, my lord. I don't have an opportunity to respond on affidavit.
no, pleading,
Now to impute some
No, no.
meaning to some document, my lord.
pleading ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ we should not hear, pleading ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ we should not hear, those days are over.
My lord, I'm only saying
Right.
this. They
Yes.
produced a document which
Law
clearly they have
law
got from
of
the bank
pleadings
record.
itself is diluted by the apex court that ಎಲ್ಲಾ plead ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
I'm not on that, my lord. I'm
Ah,
not on that. I am on, my lord, whether if they just say this, will I have a fair opportunity to respond to it, my lord?
Of course,
on an
who said
affidavit?
no?
That's all it is.
You always have an opportunity. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ bank has an opportunity, you have an opportunity. His opportunity is over that he has filed a apology now.
It is a typographical error, my lord.
All right,
Somebody
sir.
want, my lord,
Correct,
ultimately
sir.
it's a-
Typographical error should
it's
be.
a foreign
alla,
language,
it is, now it is 2 years. You have not corrected that
My lord, I'll
typographical.
check, my lord, they would, but I will only say this, my lord, somebody wants to participate in an auction. Company wants to participate. Now, my lord, some human being has to sign those documents. Some board resolution is required.
Resolution ಬೇಕೇ
Bank will
ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
expect. Something is required, my lord.
But
Now,
why did you say purchased?
my lord, it's a typographical error, my lord. These things happen. That's my respectful submission, my lord. Now to impute, my lord, something far more.
No, that's okay.
Without
We
anything else
we are
than
not
this.
bothered about you.
The
Leave it.
standard, my lord, no malice can.
Then I'll
The
leave it at
reason is
that,
this, there are 5 bidder, 220 bid to place.
No
I am
problems.
permitted to place before this honorable court. My lord,
The,
no.
this court heard so and so like. This court on 17/6/2026 had passed the following order. It was clearly indicated that the registered valuer would was granted 3 weeks time to file his reply as to why proceedings for perjury should not be initiated against him. Now the registered valuer has filed an affidavit of unconditional apology. The unconditional apology reads as follows. The unconditional apology itself is indicative of the fact that he has, without qualification, valued property of the petitioner, which is a coffee plantation, and valued a 40-acre property at rupees 63 lakhs. And the reserve price was fixed by the bank on the said specious valuation at 65 lakhs. and the purchaser buys it at 90 lakhs. Therefore, the 90 lakhs. The affidavit was filed in a proceeding in the year 2024. After the said order on 17/6/2026, it appears that the valuer has realized that he did not have qualification to value the plantation that he has already valued for, and the bank having sold it for a song. Therefore, the affidavit of apology cannot be considered, and appropriate orders would be passed on the next date on the said apology. The learned counsel for the petitioner, learned senior counsel submits that the adjacent land of 100 acres was also the subject matter of acquisition, subject matter of auction, and the very same valuer had valued it at 2 crores and the bank has sold it for 2 crores for the same purchaser. While at present nothing can be attributed to the purchaser, but the valuer who has valued 100 crores also at 2 crores has a lot to answer. The bank shall therefore place on record all the valuation done by this valuer of the properties that have been sold by Canara Bank of the borrowers. Properties would be the plantation and agriculture properties by the next date of hearing.
Milord, have it, Milord, next week.
Sir, list on 17th.
Please.